How to install Suitecrm on XAMPP. Follow the instructions. XAMPP installed, including Apache, MySQL, and PHP, preferably version 8.1 or higher. Suitecrm downloaded, latest version from the official site. Download the Suitecrm zip package. Extract the contents into the docs directory in your XAMPP installation. Create a database for Suitecrm. Set file permissions, important on Linux/Mac. Configure PHP settings. Run the Suitecrm installer. Once installed, adjust your config.php and config_override.php for better security. Once the installation is complete, log into Suitecrm with the admin credentials you set. Thank you for watching.